cooking souls.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Phone flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing at the bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the gold 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I
bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, trigger get the loot. Pull up with that trick, I'm playing with brick and I'ma shoot. My weapon be an instrument, I blow you like a flute. The place we feelin', pull up broad day with the K9 shivering. Drop a nigga like a littering. We at the door like we the delivering. He got a plug, he middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like silver rocks. I should tell how you gas, but I'm spray on just like Bud Breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. My nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine on so close to the guy that I can steal the stash sheet.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I
say, lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the bricks. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking a seat. But just know a nigga back, and this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta check me your back. I got hundreds on. Well, I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign with 5 on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the pain, smoking dang. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free Latin, no, he keep a K, but he not taking ya up the chop and let it blow. And watch this bitch, he this beast, I'm that nigga. And all my young niggas pulling triggers, we gorillas. We lift this bitch off until you feel us. For you niggas, that's always on IG with them yippies taking pictures. Is you really gon' use them or you just looking for them bitches? You niggas really hoes and you be acting like these bitches. You niggas say I solid, but y'all probably in there snitching. Most of the niggas that's around me throwing seeds like they crippin', but they do it for the twins. Free Lil Corey and Lil Christian. But I'm my shooters and that's mandatory. When I'm top.
Alright, so either you made it to the end or you fast forwarded because you wanted to win a palette. Either way, that's cool, girl. That's cool. If you guys are interested in winning if you guys are interested in winning a brand new unopened Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, then go ahead and this is okay. Listen to the rules. This is how you enter. Okay, leave me a like on this video and a comment down below saying anything. It could be a video you want to see from me, something about this look. It could be what you had for breakfast this morning, and follow me on Instagram. That's literally it. Okay, those are the rules. I will be thoroughly checking when I pick a winner, so make sure you follow the rules. Like the video, make a comment about anything and everything, and follow me on my Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching or skipping to the end so that you can win a Prism palette. That's cool too, girl. You know, do you get it how you live it? I get it how I live it. I also would just like to say, if I pick a winner and I cannot pair your comment to your Instagram name because like your YouTube username is different from your Insta name or whatever, just be on the lookout in your Instagram DMs and look at your YouTube notifications, because I may be contacting you and responding to your comment going, hey, DM me on Instagram, you won the giveaway, blah, blah, blah. Okay. See ya.